Antic Mini Bike represents the future of compact urban transportation with its lightweight electric design and futuristic styling. Built for crowded modern cities, this mini bike focuses on portability, efficiency and convenience for everyday commuting. Its small frame improves maneuverability through tight urban spaces while the electric powertrain provides a quiet and eco-friendly riding experience. Another major advantage is its simple riding interface, making it practical for both experienced riders and younger commuters looking for smarter city transportation. Rubby Car 3.0 combines the comfort of a compact microcar with the efficiency of electric mobility. This futuristic three-wheeled vehicle features an enclosed cabin, lightweight construction, and a highly compact design perfect for busy urban environments. Its electric system supports cleaner transportation while the weather-protected cabin adds extra comfort during daily commuting. Some versions also include solar charging technology, helping improve sustainability and reduce energy consumption in modern cities. Evoque Enza showcases a futuristic approach to personal transportation by combining electric mobility with sleek modern styling and practical urban usability. Designed for daily city travel, the lightweight structure improves maneuverability while making parking easier in limited urban spaces. Its electric powertrain supports quieter and cleaner transportation compared to traditional fuel-powered vehicles. The modern digital riding interface also enhances convenience and creates a smarter commuting experience for future city riders. Glideways presents a futuristic transportation system using autonomous electric pods designed to improve city commuting. Instead of relying on large buses or trains, these compact pods travel through dedicated pathways and transport passengers directly to their destinations without fixed schedules. The system focuses on reducing traffic congestion, lowering energy costs, and improving urban mobility efficiency. Its flexible and scalable design demonstrates how autonomous transportation could reshape future smart cities worldwide. BMW Motorrad Vision K18 is a futuristic luxury motorcycle concept inspired by classic cruiser styling and advanced engineering. Its stretched silhouette, low aggressive stance, and exposed mechanical components create a bold science fiction appearance. Designed as a futuristic interpretation of premium long-distance motorcycles, the Vision K18 combines emotional styling with advanced technology to showcase the future of luxury riding experiences. Specialized Turbo Vado 3 represents the growing importance of electric bicycles in future urban transportation. Built for real-world city commuting, this advanced e-bike delivers smooth pedal assistance that makes hills, traffic, and long-distance rides much easier. The integrated motor and battery system improve balance and efficiency while maintaining a sleek modern appearance. Features like integrated lighting, cargo compatibility, and customizable riding modes make it highly practical for daily commuting. Utopia Carbon Fold 2 combines lightweight carbon fiber construction with foldable electric mobility for modern city transportation. Its futuristic minimalist frame improves portability while maintaining durability for everyday use. The folding mechanism makes storage easier inside apartments, offices, and public transport spaces, making it ideal for crowded urban environments. Smart connected technology and electric pedal assistance further improve convenience and commuting efficiency. Smart Concept 2 demonstrates how future urban vehicles may evolve with smarter technology and more efficient design. Featuring a streamlined body, digital interior, and connected controls, this compact EV focuses on maximizing practicality within a very small footprint. Its futuristic styling and environmentally friendly electric platform highlight the growing demand for cleaner and smarter transportation solutions in modern cities. Seabob SE63 represents the future of personal water mobility with advanced electric propulsion and futuristic aquatic design. Built for oceans, lakes, and coastal adventures, this high-performance watercraft allows riders to glide across the surface or dive underwater with precise control. Its streamlined hydrodynamic structure improves speed, efficiency, and maneuverability, while the electric propulsion system offers quieter and more environmentally friendly operation compared to traditional watercraft. Lectric XP Trike 2 combines comfort, stability and practicality into a modern electric three-wheel commuter vehicle. Its low-step frame improves accessibility while electric pedal assistance reduces physical effort during urban commuting. The foldable design and cargo capability make it useful for everyday transportation needs. With improved balance and rider confidence, the XP Trike 2 demonstrates how electric mobility is becoming more accessible for a wider range of users. BYD Seagull is a compact electric city car focused on efficiency, practicality, and sustainability. Despite its small footprint, the vehicle offers a spacious cabin, modern battery technology, and advanced safety systems. Its futuristic styling, tall roofline, and urban-friendly design make it ideal for crowded city streets and limited parking spaces. The Seagull highlights how compact EVs could become one of the most important transportation solutions for future smart cities.